On Sunday, June 13, 2021 at 3:58 p.m., an officer conducted a vehicle code enforcement stop in the 1500 block of East 3rd Street on a vehicle with no license plates. This is the body camera footage of that officer.
How you doing? The reason I stopped you, you don't have a license plate on your car?
Well, I know I was getting that right now. Like, I was in the process of getting it.
Oh, okay. Do you have a registration for your car?
I don't. I left it at home.
Okay. Do you have, because I gotta confirm like it's not stolen or anything. Do you have your license on you?
I don't.
Okay.
I don't have it. I should put it under my sister's name.
Okay. Do you have a license?
I got my license
Suspended? What's your name? What's your last name? Your birthday? Okay. I'm gonna just open the door to get the VIN.
Okay.
Because it's on the door. Okay? Can you write on the back?
301-76, I'll handle tag 578.
Who's in the car with you?
Okay, you have to...
Oh. Are they able to roll it down? How you guys doing? It should be over. Do you have a license then? No. Do you know where the VIN is out here? Oh, yes. Right here. No, it's not even right. It's tires.
Broadcasting the UI vehicle 178 Class southbound on the ratio of wind pickup. Give you information control.
Should be right. I got it. Does anyone with a license able to come?
Yeah, his mother's coming.
Okay.
My son.
Okay. His mom's coming?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I can't let you drive without a license.
Okay.
If you could give them a call to come, or else like I have to tow the car if you don't have a license. And I don't want to tow your car for 30 days. You have a baby back here.
Yeah.
You know. All right. Well, I'll be right back. Okay.
The officer returned to his patrol vehicle to conduct a records and status check of the vehicle and identifying information the driver provided. The records check revealed that the vehicle was stolen. The name and birth date provided to the officer was fake.
A firm occupied.
More confident 301. Each number 3 in Clifton.
Driver!
Underway. Dimension 4, 4, hey route. Dimension 4, copy route.
Driver! Roll down the window! Turn off the vehicle!
Barber 10. Barber 10, copy.
Three Metro 1, failure to yield.
Copy, failure to yield. 52, we're almost with them.
We're going to be southbound MLK, approaching Texas. Speeds are going to be 50, no traffic, no pits.
Southbound MLK, no traffic, no pits.
Metro 1, we're still southbound MLK. Approaching Brundage. 901T, 901T, Brundage and MLK.
901T, Brundage and MLK. Traffic is start that way. Pretty concrete.
998, 998. Hey! Come here! Come here! 3 Metro 1, 998. We're gonna be running. Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Put your hands in the air. Put your... Don't do it, man. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Let me see your hands. Stop. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air! Put... 3 Metro 1, he's still southbound. He's armed with a firearm. He's running in the middle of the street. He has a firearm in his right hand. Let me see your hands!
We got visual on the map. He's going to be eastbound towards black shirt, black short.
Hey!
From no shots fired by.
Stop! Get out the car! Get out of this car! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Drop the gun!
Get on the ground!
Drop the gun!
Drop it!
Drop the gun!
Drop it!
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
998, subject still armed.
Drop the gun!
Subject still armed.
Drop it!
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Gun!
Drop the gun!
Gun!
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Last on location.
Drop the gun!
We're at the fifth market.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Drop the gun!
52, the subject has the firearm to his head.
Drop the gun!
Drop it!
Mark 17, 1097.
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun!
Just keep it pointed in.
Drop the gun!
352, Sergeant Cody, got traffic southbound, I'm okay. Get the stop traffic southbound, I'm okay. Robert 5, have medical aid, response stage.
Drop the gun!
Turn around.
Drop the gun!
Drop it, dude!
Drop the gun!
352, I'm in you. For the launcher,
Drop the gun!
the launcher. Lincoln 5. Lincoln 5, tap for the launcher. Robert, can you confirm status of Air 1?
Drop the gun!
Not bombed on.
Drop the gun!
Last location.
Drop it!
Drop the gun!
Hey, Madrona!
Yes, market.
You're on point. Talk to him. Everybody else, shut up.
They'll be on Madison and Audrey.
Got rifle? Got rifle.
R 17, expedite medical aid. All units coming up. Cover.
Hey, Madrona's on the flank over there.
Someone's in his wife's position. Someone's in the driver's seat.
Rifle.
The car's at the intersection. I'm looking.
Madrono, stay where you're at. Do not move.
352, I'll be getting you to the first stop.
All right, you guys. The firearm is down right now. Let's take a breath. Madriz, watch the cover of your muzzle.
your gun away.
Put the firearm down. We do not want to hurt you.
Question.
Hey, we're all hands on. We're hands on.
My car's that he's calling when I wasn't able to put it on park.
Step to your right. You push up. Deep breath.
How do you shut down code? All remaining units are now shut down code.
Come on, brother. Put the firearm down. We do not want to hurt you. Everything's going to be all right, man. I need you to put that gun down. You guys, we cannot let him make it into that store. He's already shot at us, correct?
He shot at me, sir.
Huh?
He shot at me.
All right, we already have a 998 on an officer. Do not let him get into that store. We cannot have a hostage situation.
For approximately 5 minutes, officers attempt to get the suspect to drop the firearm and surrender. The store surveillance footage also captures another angle of the events which transpired. The following video is store surveillance, which begins as the suspect raises one hand and begins counting down from 3 before raising the firearm towards officers. At that point, multiple officers fire at the suspect. This video has no audio. Officers rendered medical aid to the suspect, and he was transported to an area hospital, where he later succumbed to his injuries. A firearm was recovered from the suspect. 6 officers discharged their firearms. All of the officers had activated body cameras. However, due to them utilizing unoccupied vehicles as cover and distance, the video is obstructed. No one else was injured during this event, including the adult female and 2 juvenile passengers in the suspect's vehicle. During the initial shooting, as the suspect fled his vehicle after the collision, the officer's vehicle was struck several times.